Acer presents a new version of its Windows Mixed Reality headset at IFA in Berlin. The Acer OJO 500 includes a more modular design with removable parts. It is designed for companies such as museums or attractions that may have customers who use headphones several times a day, and both the lens and the head strap can be removed and cleaned completely. Acer sends the i500 with a hard or soft head strap, and the soft version is machine washable. The mask of the headphones can be flipped, so it is not necessary to remove the headphones completely to verify their surroundings. Acer also includes a built-in IPD interpupillary distance wheel to adjust the distance between the screen and people's eyes. This should make the applications and virtual reality games in Windows Mixed Reality a little clearer and clearer. Acer is also improving its field of vision with a wider view of 100 degrees thanks to two 89-inch 2880x1440 LCD screens.